I'm going to show you how you can easily use Netflix cookies in the Kiwi browser. First, open the BlueStacks app player application on your PC. Next, click on the provided search bar and search for Netflix. Then it will show you the Netflix website and click on it to reach the website. As you go to the Netflix website, it will show you the homepage of Netflix. Then click on the three dots located at the top right corner. After that, it will show you various options in the menu. Now select the Extensions option and it will open a new tab. Here, you can add the cookie editor if you don't have one. If you already have the cookie editor, then go to the Netflix tab again. In the next step, click on the three dots again and scroll down to locate the cookie editor. Next, click on it and you will reach another tab. The cookie editor website will ask for the request and you have to permit further information. Make sure to use cookies responsibly. Cookies expire or get invalidated after some time, so you may need to refresh them periodically.